Welcome back to my channel, my lovely subscribers. I have some exciting news to share with you today. As you all know, Busabala Road has been in dire need of some major construction work, and the good news is that it's finally happening. The road is being widened to make it safer and more accessible for motorists and pedestrians alike. The Busabala area is a popular spot for tourists and locals alike, with its beautiful beaches and scenic views. However, the poor condition of the road has made it difficult for people to get around without risking their safety. The new road will be able to accommodate more traffic and will have clearly defined lanes to avoid congestion. It will also have a separate lane for cyclists, making it easier and safer for them to travel to their destinations. Imagine driving down the beautiful Busabala Road with the wind in your hair and the sun on your face, knowing that you're safe and secure. That's the future we're heading towards, and I'm excited to be a part of it. As many of you know, Busabala Road plays a vital role in connecting various important areas in Uganda. This road is not only essential for daily commuting, but also plays a significant role in facilitating transportation for major international events. With Uganda set to host the 19th Non-Aligned Movement Summit and the third South Summit of G77 countries plus China in January 2024, there is a pressing need to ensure that the road network around Munyonyo is up to par, considering the number of heads of state expected to attend these events. The quality and completion of the road network will be a critical showcase of Uganda's infrastructural development on the global stage. awesome subscribers. That brings us to the end of our thrilling journey through the construction site of Busabala Road. Remember, completing this project on time is not just about infrastructure, but also about showcasing the capabilities of Uganda on the international stage. Let's hope that through effective collaboration and timely actions, the road will be ready to welcome the esteemed guests. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, stay creative and stay awesome.